be bari aha mushomo gw'ebiro bibiri ho gubireguriye muri Bushenyi okuchondoza nukoreka ngo abantu binje muri Bushenyi ne bakosubwa nk'abahuku
tugeze kushomesa Abanyamakuru kugira ngo nibaba ari ya front line bo bakubana barebe kugendo misho bo bakubamba babona amahuru raga kandi companies ezimwe ninga abantu abakwija kutwara abantu bakabakusa bakabatwara heru bakabatambuza mu Ugandeji umungere etashikire bo bakubana babona amahoro raga na information inga tujete fast information.
Faith Abanyabetegaho District Community Development Officer ashoborire mu hamiringo he y'abantu barukose bwankabahuko
umuntu omwanya umutwaro umugundi ahabwa amagoba gawe kandi byo kuza kumukoresa obundi tibyo ayikirize narushanga umubihiro mu rumogu uhendera umuhiro gundi kandi ekikumuteko omukabi obwiro bwinje abantu abakutwarwa abakukusubwa ko obundi kuba kubana barenga heru y'amayanja babihawe bahandiko byabo omubihaho kumutwara obumutwarira umurumo obumugambire sente akika hendera biro musebe abiro muhuku epapura byo bamwihaho yari heru passport waje mwihaho.
Peter Wagona orukurwa mu kitongore cya British Council harigire yegesa Abanyamakuru okuba kubasa Kurwanisa mizeji.
I know some victims may feel this is an opportunity for me to be on TV. I'm going to become a celeb, and then they say, it's okay, you can put my real face there. They don't know the dangers that come with that. And then when you say, no, I have their face, I'm going to get more likes, people know me, I'm legit now, and you rush and put their faces there. The next day, the perpetrator comes and kills the person. You get it? So whether they are giving you permission to disclose their face professionally, do not do that. When you're doing a video, like remember I talked about, yes, cover the eyes and everything, but even you try to make the background of the area where you're doing the interview anonymous.
Okurjira hal Faith amanya habembezi nabo tubakozere gwabo.
Wenji abantu nabateka nguno kuzahiru y'amahanga no mu Bushenyi twaza kizinda twaza cyamuhunga twaza no myanya yona butare abantu binji beterini mbwe ntwantu gamba kigambo cyo kukusa ntutero muranga buri muntu we no cyukwisoba chairman LC1 murebe ngo abantu abakutura mbyanga byanyu no mbamanya no mubetegereza kandi mugeza register
twine acti yinga iteka ryatiweho mu 2009 eritweta Prevention of Trafficking in Persons Act na regulations n'agamateka agakuryoreka itambura iteke rero batireho regulations ezo zikaziri mu 2019 rumu emishango erikwata akusabantu na nabana so tubentoreka emishango mushango ki na punishment.
Abanyamakuru habetabiro mu mushomogo habutugambiraho nabo basimire kitongore cya Willow International hamwe na British Council ahabo kubegesa.
Ntwenda kwebaze kitongore cya Willow International habo kutekaho umushomogo kandi bakwatanise n'aba British Council. Emishomo yegine yamba itwe nk'abanyamakuru abo kuba besara abanyamakuru bona okurwo mu Greater Bushenyi batutekaha ayito mazirebero bibiri no twega ahabyina kakwate na migration.
Twatangara nkito amahurire bamwe twita kutekateka ngo nibabasa harimo itongore ebikuguza abantu harimo umu areas cya Bujimbi bagamba cya Muhunga batoreka ngo harimo za Kizinda harimo na Ruhumuro riya twatangara umuntu wamugambira ngo nibakukusa abantu nibaguza abantu kandi babatwara mu bande biragiro umuntu nakangarana
gashakwa Olivia na Asasiro mu Bushenyi aha Sky TV agensho.